This is the 2021 Forest River FR3 32DS. It sits on a Ford F53 chassis, and it's got a Triton V8 7.3 liter Ford motor in it. I'd like to show you some of the amenities of this this coach here. One of my favorites is when you start out your trip, your barn door style of opening here to all of your vital fluids, and before you go on your trip to check it out. Let's go around here. Check out the rig this way. As you can see, this is one of our pop outs. We got 7 doors over on this side. This right here is the 25-gallon propane tank. We have a good compartment here for all of our necessary sewage material. Here is our Cummins Onan 5500 generator. It's got 124 hours on it right now, meticulously maintained. And here are some other good. This is actually a I store my toolbox here, but this is a pass-through where it's easy to store easy up and rolled up carpets and other long tools. Here is our other compartment here, which is all of our plumbing. This is where I keep all my cookware. As you see, you got Blackstone here. Everything fits inside there. And a huge pass-through compartment here. As you can see, it's really deep. And one other thing I want to show you here. To turn on the light, this is where the 50 amp cord with all the pigtails here plugs into the apparatus. So that's where you can get your generator power from. The rear, we got our step ladder. It's got a hitch if you and your full tow package here in the rear. As you can see on this side, this is our full second slide out. We got some other good compartments here. We have the outdoor entertainment area, a fully enclosed battery compartment here with your hydraulic pumps as well. Another nice storage area with plugs. Another pass-through storage area. This goes to that other side here. So this is the, again, this is the FR3 coach, and I want to show you inside. Let's go take a look inside. You see we got the retractable stairs here. I want to show you something here on the side of the couch. When you come in on your left-hand side, this is where the control panel is with the main battery on and off switch, the in and out for the awning, the stairs, you can keep them up or down, and the LED lights. And additionally, you can raise and lower the bed that I'll show you on up here, which sits over the 2 captain seats. This full bed up here provides a pretty good space. This for anybody to sleep on up there. We got this coach sleeps about 8 people. As you can see, these chairs down here, these captain style chairs, they retract, go back and forth, and they swivel to create like a nice little seating environment up here. The blackout blinds that are fitted throughout this entire coach just go down, just like so, stay down, and then they retract on their own. So now this couch turns into a bed right here. As you can see, sleeps 1 or 2 additional people, and this dining area also turns into a little sleeping area. We have our microwave and our entire kitchen here, as you can see. And to give you some additional space while you're cooking here, we have a nice little end table that pops up. So let's look at the large double fridge and double freezer here. This is a game changer here. Fits everything and more what you need. We also have a pantry here on the side, and then brings us to our bunk area. We have a top bunk and a lower bunk. You have the ability to set the bunk up here like this for when you're driving, or if your kids want to hang out down here. There's a TV in this area, and this also turns into a bed as well. There's safety nets here as well. You can hook on up here for the kids to make sure that they stay where they're supposed to stay. And which brings us over to the entertainment center here, and storage for your DVDs or whatever else you might need. Now, the king bed in the master bedroom here. Very comfortable bed with a big panoramic view out the rear of the coach. And one of my favorite things is the heavy sliding door. Gives you all the privacy you need there. It's a nice big heavy door that locks into place. We have this TV, which actually flips up with additional storage back here. As you can see, we have a bunch of sheets in there and large drawers. We pack all our family stuff in there, and we have additional space for sheets and everything here underneath the bed. So this is well equipped with storage, to say the least. We have our 2 ACs here. We have one AC, easy to control, and then one of these same ones here up in the front. So let me show you the bathroom. The restroom here. Let me turn on the lights. Single toilet and a shower. Shutting the door closed there. And then I'll show you, it locks into position for driving. It's a nice tempered glass, and easy to use shower wand here with some storage there on the side. As you can see, it sits right across from the bunkhouse, which has many uses. As you can see, blackout blinds, push lights there. So there's our 32 DS bunkhouse model, Forest River FR3. You want me to open any of the cabinets or no?